What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community on YouTube. On today's quick episode, only covering two people, just Bees for Build and Doug DeMuro. That's all we're going to be covering. If you like this kind of stuff, guys, do check out my other videos. Smash the subscribe button. Just basically helps the channel get bigger and us one step closer to getting a project car, which I have a few cars in mind. Hopefully when all the shenanigans of shit of lockdown stops here in Ireland, you know, I can start planning for one in the summer, but we will see. But obviously I want this channel to get bigger, but we'll sort that out closer to the time. And also, guys, if you're interested in coming on the channel, I want to do a discussion show on the weekends. Hit me up on my Instagram if you're a car channel or a subscriber or whatever. You know, it'd be great to have you on for maybe half an hour for a Zoom call as well, so do consider that. And also, guys, please recommend smaller car channels that are under 1,000 or 10,000 subscribers. I'm looking for some. I want to start doing full videos on channels that are under 1,000 or 10,000 subs, just to give them recognition and see what other content is out there as well. So it'd be pretty cool. So do give your suggestions below and I'll check out their channels as well. So as I said, for today's episode, Bees for Build have continued their Lamborghini Offroad Lamborghini Huracan build, where they're putting in the manual transmission. I think they have the adapter plate as well for the gearbox, the engine. And I haven't really watched the series, so my question to you guys, because I'm just curious for the Bees for Build fans. I'm a massive fan of them, but I am quite picky about my builds. Like, are you watching the series, and what you think of the series as well, like of the guys doing the builds, him and Oscar? And I haven't really watched it. I'm going to try and get into it. I'm really more into the, like, when he did the R35 build, the Huracan. I'm more into my sports cars and supercars. The Offroad build hasn't really grabbed my attention. Not that I'm saying like it's a bad build or anything, it's just something that hasn't interested me. I'm going to try and watch a bit more of it if I can. But I just want to know from you guys, have you been watching the build and what way do you think it's going to come out? I'll keep an eye on it, but I haven't been clicking on the videos and watching them fully, just seeing what's been going on with it. So I just thought I'd ask a question to you guys. Have you been watching Bees for Build and what you think of their latest videos and their latest build? I'll probably be interested to see how their off-roading race goes as well. But yeah, just said I'd ask the question for you guys, because I haven't really watched it and I can't really get into it. Again, just because my preferences are supercars and sports cars. But just want to hear from you guys. Let me know in the comments below, guys. Indeed. Last up then as well, we're just going to cover Doug DeMuro. I was a bit slow on this one. He did his usual every year. Now he's going to start doing his Doug Awards. So he has basically, it's a really good video actually to check out if you haven't checked it. And even if you like him or not, there's some good picks inside there. And when he came out with his top car from all of the cars that he drove, that his favorite one was, he did pick, before spoiler for you, close your ears, the C8. So he picked the C8 as his car of the year. You can probably, why can't you see? Like, yeah, he has picked that is because it is a great car. Even Stradman's talking about getting another C8. It's done that well. And even I think he said that the sticker price is still over MSRP. It's holding really well. And that's, you know, he just said was he drove it for like 3 or 4 days, 400 miles. It was an unbelievable car to drive. I don't know if you've driven a C8. Please let me know in the comments below what you think of them. And another question to you guys is, do you think GM will top the C8, or how do you think they'll make it better going into the future as well? I would love someday to be able to get my hands on one if I ever visit the States. You know, so you never know, guys. Might get over to the States at the end of this year. Hopefully, I have no idea. But that leads me into my next question for you guys. So what car are you most excited for the release of 2021 this year, that you want YouTubers to buy and modify? Or just what car in general are you most excited for as well? You know, comment below. For me, probably the Huracan STO. I know a lot of YouTubers are going to get that, so I'm interested to see what different specs we get to see and what mods are done to it. But one other car I'm really excited to see is the Maserati MC20. Now, whether a YouTuber gets this car or not, I'm not too sure, and whether they'll modify it, I highly doubt it. But it's one car I'm really looking forward to. I was looking forward to the Tesla Roadster coming out, but that's been pushed back to 2022. Jesus, when that car comes out, I'd say the amount of YouTubers are going to jump on that car is going to be insanity. That's going to be the car 2022, I think, is going to be the Tesla Roadster. The car for YouTubers for 2021, comment below what you think it's going to be. I think it's going to be the STO. That's what I think it's going to be, but I'm not too sure else, guys, what else is coming out that YouTubers will jump on and modify. So I don't know, guys, that's what I said I'd ask you. Comment below, let me know, and that is it for today's quick episode. So until the next one, guys, we'll see you then, but please do smash the subscribe button and like and comment and all that kind of stuff. And until the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.